Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Jeep Wrangler 4xe. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 13mm socket, a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, a funnel, and some gloves. Make sure your Jeep is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm, but not hot, to allow the oil to drain efficiently. Always prioritize safety by engaging the parking brake. Now, let's get underneath your Jeep. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly below it to collect the used oil. Using your 13mm socket and wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow all the old oil to drain completely, which usually takes several minutes. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal and makes future removal easier. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Now, using a funnel, add 5 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic oil. After refilling, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, reset your oil life monitor on the dashboard to complete the process. You've successfully changed your Jeep Wrangler 4x's oil.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.